Hey guys, today we're going to be opening up Kitty Kaye, so let's get started. And doing the titles that are the same. This one and this one. Same background. Let's get opening. First we're going to open up Kitty Kaye. Okay, here's Kitty Kaye with her microphone. And then here's her separate outfit. And guys, we're just gonna have to do a separate video with the Rainbow High doll. But let's just play this music one time, and then we gotta go. And don't worry guys, we're gonna do a separate video of the Rainbow High dolls. So here's Kitty Kaye, we gotta go, and here's her separate outfit and her knee-high socks. Now, bye guys, I hope you have a good day, and yeah, bye.